So we're in the city of Pinole, going to be checking out one of my new listings that's coming soon, and we're going to be making sure the contractors are doing what they should be doing. Let's go check it out. So we have this program called Compass Concierge, and what we're able to do with this program is we're able to front all the money that's going to take to fix up your house and get it ready for sale. I'm talking about all the paint that's involved. Brand new cabinets, brand new countertops. We're going to put brand new sink, brand new faucet, make the kitchen pop. That kitchen is what's gonna make you a lot of money. I'm talking about all the flooring is gonna be refinished. We're gonna go with the grays and the whites. That's the colors everybody's looking for right now. We're remodeling all the bathrooms, and guess what? I'm getting all this work done on this 3-bedroom, 2-bath condo for around $25,000. They don't have to pay anything back until closing time. That means they're gonna get a bigger check at the end of the day because they're gonna make way more than what they were gonna sell it for as is.